All right, next on the mill is a 10.5-foot maple. Now, I'm just going through that pile. There's a couple maples in there and a couple oaks. There's a few oaks, a few maples. Whatever I grab, I grab. Maple and oak are pretty hard. They're both hard. Let's see how big this one is on the small end. How much lumber can we get out of this? We're looking at almost 15 inches, so about 75 board feet. It's 10 foot long. Actually, it's almost 11. All right, guys, I'm going in to take a break. My daughter's on her way over with my grandson, and so I'm going to hang out with him for a while. I might get back out here tonight, but this is the 4th of July weekend coming up. I already have a video coming out on the 4th of July, so again, we'll say happy 4th of July. Stay safe, guys, out there. But I might come back out tonight. If not, we'll get back after it, after the weekend. So I'll get this mill cleaned up in a little while. It's hot out here, guys. We're gonna break this maple down. I mentioned my daughter is on her way with my grandson, so I got about a half an hour. Let's see how much we can get done here. "15 inches, 75 board feet, it's 10 foot long. On this side, on the flare side, 17 inches. 15 and 17. It looks bigger, more of a swoop than that, but all right, here we go. Can you see the camera? Hey, shy boy. Look at it. Oh, hey. Good look and see that. Say wave. Bye. Can you wave? Can you wave? Wave to your mom. Hey guys, that will do it. I have, what did we get? 11 of those boards, 11.5 inches wide. So we got 11.6 and 11.5.5. Turned out to be 79 board feet. So I'm pretty happy with that yield and a few other little scraps here and there. So the grandson just showed up and the daughter, and we're going to load this up on the tractor, set it down, and take him for a ride on the tractor. So guys, we'll see you next time at the mill. Take care. Hey, if you like this content, please subscribe, comment, and like. Don't forget to share it with a friend too. One of his favorite things, guys, is sitting on a tractor, driving it with his grandpa and his daddy. All right, turn the key on, buddy. All right. Got your hands on the steering wheel like you're supposed to. Oh, right up there. Did I lower that? Hang on, let's back up for a second. I forgot. Oh, I took it off. Good deal. Sometimes I forget to take the log clamp off, and that will give me a few problems, guys. Uh-oh. Oh, what did I do? I can't see it. Oh, crud. All right, let's just go stack it.